Welcome back, everyone. Here we are, day number 3, working on the Mercedes rear subframe. This morning I'm going to try to just get this parking brake cable disconnected from it and pull that subframe out so we can take a good look at it. So let's get started. I got the parking brake cable right there. It comes from the front of the car. This thing is metal. Goes up into this metal bracket. This cable goes to the wheel. That I can't tell if the camera's out of focus or if my glasses are out of focus. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to try to get this cable that goes to this wheel off of there. I'm going to try to, or wait, maybe I'm going to try to put vice grips on this white plastic thing. See if I can't get it out of there, out of that metal groove. If I can do that, it'll loosen that to get it apart, and then the other end of it is on the other side. So we'll go look at that if I can get this. Let me see if I can get this. Okay, I got it off. I broke. There must have been some like locking tabs holding this into there. I broke them off, so I might have to get a new cable for that side of the parking brake. But now I'm able to loosen the other side. So, if I can get the other side, I can't see it. There's the cable. It feels loose. All right, I'm gonna have to maneuver around and get over to the other side. Blocking the light. Yeah, see that? You're like propping that little tab, and then the cable came out. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to take the shocks off. It's not a big deal. Seems like it'll be pretty easy to take them off, and it'll make things a lot easier getting this out of here now and getting it back in. Yeah. So, pops right down. See that? Lickety split. Let me get the other side. I'll just get the other side and I'll show you when I'm done. Okay. Got a bolt right there. Come right out. Okay, let me get this bolt off and I'll check in with you guys. Get it off. Okay. There we go. Now it knows what to do. Yeah. So I'd say if I ever did this again, which I never will, anybody out there watching it might want to do this, just take the shock out first. It would have been easier while this was all fixtured nice and solid, not wiggling around, and it wasn't a big deal to take it out, and then it makes everything easier. So there you go. Let's move to the other side. Voila! Shock number 2 removed. Okay, let's get set up for the big pull. Okay, here it comes. Okay, wear it out. Okay. Ooh, careful, careful. And here you have it. One 2010 Mercedes C300 rear subframe unit, I'll call it. So there's the reason. Look at my weld I tried to weld. That is the reason why I need a new subframe. That one little spot. You know, I guess it is, yeah, that sucker's cracked all the way around. And I would say it's probably from rust, huh? I don't know, I think it probably got thin from rust. Over here it definitely rusted out. Trying to get my screen, here we go. But here is where it's right at the edge of that weld. You can see where it cracked, right at the edge of that weld. So, and it's probably getting thin around here too, it looks like. Yep, well there it is. There's the bottom side of it. Let's see what this side looks like. Yeah, this side's got some rust hole there. It's probably getting there too. So, okay, let me give it a look over and we'll check it back. So this is what my car looks like without a rear subframe in it. Okay, so here's the two bolts I broke. Also, there's that one for the speed sensor. So I think what I'll do is let it soak for a few days and then heat it up. Maybe weld a nut to it. See if I can get it out. And it's of course the same thing over here. Where is it? Right there. Yep. Okay. I think it's safe to say I can order a new subframe now. So I'm going to go look for one of those. And maybe I'll bring you along with me. Okay. Okay, here I am looking for a part, trying to figure out which one to buy. There's a bunch of them online here. I can show you. I can get this part brand new from Mercedes. It's a different part number. The part on my car is discontinued. This part is the part on my car is this. If I can get it to focus. The part number though is 204-350-2395 is the part number of the one that's on my car. It's not going to focus. So their new part number for this is 204-350 0141. And Mercedes, apparently they offer it for $852. So I can get a brand new one for $852. And actually there's a couple problems with that. One problem is it's $852. Another problem is it's a brand new part, so there's no bushings in it. There's no little plastic piece that I broke on my parking brake cable. There's nothing on it. It's just a subframe, brand new. So here are 3 of them I found on eBay. And I'm thinking, this one says it's for a 2013. None of these have the same part number. They all have the same part number, but every one of them says that they fit a 2010 Mercedes C300 4MATIC Sport. There's my car right there, the 4MATIC Sport. C300 2010. So, like this one says it fits it, but this part number is a 207350. Mine's a 204350. And the last 4 is a 9702, which I'm kind of assuming the last 4 maybe changes with every model or whatever. It's that 204350. I think as long as that matches, it's going to fit. But apparently, maybe this is a newer 207. It says it's off of 2013, so maybe they changed this number, that 7, that 5. Changed my 4 to a 7. For this year. Looking at it, it looks like it. I mean, it looks exactly like it. That's what I need. And that thing with this one is it comes with this little plastic piece that I broke from my parking brake cable. Right? It comes with, bushings from a 2013 that probably has a lot less than 210,000 miles, which is what mine has on it. So bushings, all this stuff's going to be better than mine. And it looks like it doesn't have a spot of rust on it. So that one's $600 though. But here's one. This is the one I'm actually thinking about going with. This is $241. This one just says 08 to 12 Mercedes W204 is the W204 is like the body style of my car. It says C300, C350. And this one also has that little plastic piece that I need. I mean, I don't think I really need it. I didn't completely break it. I broke a little clip on it, so the parking brake cable won't clip in as easily. It'll go in, but I suppose there's a possibility that it could come out. That cable could come out if you look at the zoomed in view. The parking brake cable goes onto that little plastic clip. But I don't think that would ever come out anyhow. The plastic clip just makes it lock in there. But so I'm not too worried about it. But if I can buy one that has them. The thing that worries me about this one though is these things. Like my car doesn't have that. Whatever that is, I don't know what that is, but my car doesn't have it. I mean, I got these brackets. Everything looks exactly the same, and look, it looks clean, like there's no rust on it according to these pictures. So everything, even these that little bracket there, everything is exactly the same except that. I don't even know what that is. So, but other than that, I'm thinking this is going to be the one. And this one says its part number is 218503900. 218350. See, that's a completely different part number. But I'm tempted. I'm thinking this might be the one. I'm sure it's exactly the same. I'm sure it says 08 to 12 W204. So here's another option I have here. This one actually says it's for an E350, but I think the 350s are still that W204 body style, so that, you know, this one looks exactly the same. But see, now this one doesn't have those things, whatever those were, but I think they're just bolted to this, so they could just be taken off. But this one doesn't have that parking brake cable bracket, which I have the bracket. I just broke the little plastic piece, like I said, and this one doesn't have that on it, and it's $400, reasonable, I think. But see, it says manufacturing part number 204-350-1704, which is the closest to the part number that's on mine that I could find at 204-350 is correct. This one just says 1704. So I need to make a decision which one to buy. Anybody watching can leave in the comments which one you think I should buy. $400 one has the closest part number, but it doesn't have the brackets for the parking brake. The cheapest one, which looks exactly the same, has everything I need, but it just has these extra parts on here that worry me that it's going to be a little different than mine. And according to them, they don't even really have a good part number on it. It says this manufacturer part number, but that's a, I don't know. So that's that one. Or the $600 one, which says it's off a 2013 C-Class and 207-350-9702. So this one also has a very good part number, although this one's $600, free shipping. That's something else to consider. This is $241, but $80 shipping, which isn't bad. So that gets me to about $320. This one is also $80 shipping, so that's $480. And this one's $600, free shipping. I feel the most confident with this one as far as part numbers, and man, it looks clean, huh? But it's $600. What was its part number? See, this one also had this list of what vehicles it fits, and mine is there. But it's the 207-350-9702. I don't know, I feel confident that any of these would fit, really. Which makes me go back to, oh wait, what was this? Yeah, that was the brand new one. You know, if I thought any of them would fit, then I'd just buy the cheapest one, because my car has 210,000 miles on it. It is definitely, this part is going to outlive the rest of the car. So I'm thinking this one. So you guys let me know in the comments what you think, or if anybody knows of anywhere I can find another one somewhere. This is just doing a Google search for, my part number. So all right, I think I'm going to wrap this video up for the day and send it. So that's day 3. I'll see you guys on day 4. Hopefully with a new subframe. Thanks for watching.